Diagnostic trouble codes P0463 and P0464 both relate to the fuel level sensor circuit but indicate different types of faults. P0463 signals a fuel level sensor circuit high input, meaning the sensor is sending an abnormally high voltage signal, often caused by an open circuit, poor connection, or a failed sensor. In contrast, P0464 indicates an intermittent fuel level sensor signal, where the output fluctuates unpredictably due to issues such as loose wiring, unstable connections, or internal sensor faults. While both codes point to problems affecting fuel level readings, P0463 is typically a consistent electrical fault, whereas P0464 reflects an unstable or sporadic signal condition. Here is one of the most practical fuel level sensor solutions to fix these error codes. The fuel level sensor. The fuel level sensor is usually located in the fuel tank or attached to the fuel pump carrier bracket. First, carefully remove the fuel level sensor from your vehicle. Visually check the fuel level sensor's float, sliding contact, wires, and electrical connections for any damages. Use a multimeter to perform a resistance test on the fuel level sensor. The resistance reading should be different between when empty and when full. Check your owner's manual for the standard range. If your reading doesn't match the owner's manual, then the fuel level sensor should be replaced. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.